Cybersecurity experts are warning folks to be careful when using public wireless networks as more and more people work from home or outside the office.
If you're accessing private email accounts or you're doing the same sort of activity on behalf of the company that you work for, that data and that information can be stolen by what we refer to as malicious actors.
October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and Earl Foote with Nexus IT Consultants says it's best to use your own mobile hotspot if you're scrambling for internet options or a VPN connector that will encrypt data over public networks. He also suggests using separate devices for personal and work activities to limit significant security risks to yourself or to your company. And Apple is expected to unveil its new iPad Pro in the next few days. Bloomberg reports the newest model will feature the M2 chip, which is used in the current MacBook Air laptop. The upgrade will give the iPad a speed boost of 20%. It's the first iPad Pro upgrade in a year and a half. Tech Report, Mark Mayfield, NBC News Radio.